Cool. That sounds easy. Thank you. And I think this question goes back to Zach. You mentioned about modeling, how modeling works are carried out in the Aveva Predictive Analytics.
Hello, Tracy.
Hi.
Yeah, thank you for the question. Yep.
Okay.
So Aveva Predictive Analytics is a template-driven software. So firstly, before you even carry out the modeling work, we must first identify and define the scope of the equipment that we are trying to monitor. Then we review the sensor list using the existing historian tags. Then we customize the template design tools for the particular equipment type, and then we import that into our predictive analytics software to start the modeling. So the data modeling process includes importing the process data from the equipment, which varies from multiple data sources such as like OPC servers, historians, and then after importing those process data, we will do one round of data cleansing to remove any abnormal data that you felt is inaccurate. After the data cleansing, then we move towards selecting the operational profile for the type of machine learning algorithm that you will want to apply in. Then, we set up alerts on what are the threshold of the deviations that is being detected. And for the fine-tuning process, we can check the model accuracy by doing data playback to reduce the number of false positive alerts. Then, after you verify and satisfied with the fine-tuning, you can then deploy the predictive model and monitor your equipment, getting the early warning alerts from the live system. And that's the generic process of how the data modeling works for our predictive analytics software. Thank you.
Thanks, Zach. Okay, I believe this would be the final question that we have currently. So again, if anyone has any questions, please use the Q&A chat box to type it in. So this question, Zach, I believe it's for you again, the final one. Does the solution come with an AI algorithm out of the box, or do we need to program it?
That's a good question, Tracy. So to clarify on this question, we do not have an AI algorithm, but we do have a machine learning algorithm that is out of the box, and you will not need to program it. So such an algorithm can be like, if you go into the finer details, it can be like ordering points to identify the clustering structure algorithm, otherwise known as optics algorithm, for the machine learning aspect of it. Yeah, and that will be the answer. Thank you for the question.
Very well. Thank you. Thanks, Zach. And everyone, we've come to the end of today's webinar session. So once again, I thank you all for taking time out to attend this. And I also like to thank, the ISBN team and the Aveva team, as well as the Stratus team for hosting this and putting this all together. So thank you, everyone, for your time. Thanks.